Hey everyone, my name is Mike Slodowski and I'm the founder of Magnus Box. I don't have any fancy script other than some talking points, and it's just me talking to you about who we really are. And so, like many of you, I started out as an MSP in the trenches. I ran my MSP called Ctrl-Alt-Delete Computer Repair in Saginaw, Michigan for over 14 years. I lived the MSP life. I had late night calls, weekend emergencies, the whole deal. And what really drove me crazy was our backup solution. And so they were either really overpriced or there was non existent support, and to the point where you were waiting a week or two to even get a response to a ticket. And there was no chance of getting anyone on the phone. And so what I did is in 2019, I sold my MSP and I went all in on Magnus Box. We don't have any venture capital, no private equity backing, just our own money, our own risk, and our own reputation on the line, which means that we answer to MSPs. I answer to MSPs, not investors. Every decision that we make here at Magnus Box is about you and not pleasing shareholders. And so, just to be real with you, we're not perfect. We're going to make mistakes, and we never are going to be perfect. And when we make mistakes along the way, we're going to own it and we're going to fix it. And on top of that, we're going to learn from it. There's not going to be any type of corporate speak, no runaround, just straight up honest communication from our team to yours. And the difference is that when you call Magnus Box today, chances are you're going to get me on the phone or someone from my team on the phone. There's not going to be any overseas call center or an AI bot that's answering to you or that is responding to you. It's just someone that's been in your shoes that understands your challenges as an MSP. What we're doing is that we're growing the right way through making MSPs happy with what we offer and not through venture dollars. And so that's who we are. We are real people that provide real support and a real solution. And yes, the contact info on the website goes straight to my phone and goes straight to my inbox. And if you ever need anything, I'm always available by emailing Mike at magnusbox.com, because at Magnus Box, we want to grow together with you.